Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So many of you asked me about the OnePlus 8 Pro versus the iPhone 11. So here it is. I'm going to compare them head to head and let's see which one's better and which one should you buy. So first we have the design. Let's start with the OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro has got an amazing and modern design with a nearly bezel-less screen and an excellent screen to body ratio. The screen actually wraps around the sides as well. On the bottom you have got the speakers and the USB-C port. On the right there is the mute switch, which I am a fan of. You can check out the detailed review in the link below. And on the top you have this ridged kind of a finish. So overall, with this amazing textured back and the hole punch display, the OnePlus 8 Pro has got a fantastic design. Next, let's talk about the iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 shares the same design traits as the iPhone XR and also the same notch design which was launched in 2017 with the iPhone X. So overall the camera layout has changed and we'll talk about the camera more, but it has got the same glass sort of a finish at the back, which is extremely susceptible to fingerprints, and the mute switch again, which I'm a really big fan of, as I said. Before we move on to the next one, definitely subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified. I will also link the iPhone 11 review below. Next we have the display. The OnePlus 8 Pro features a Quad HD Plus at 120Hz AMO LED display, while the iPhone 11 is an LCD, which is a sub 1080p LCD with a 60Hz refresh rate. What I'm going to do now is show you the difference between the 120Hz and the 60Hz in slow motion. So here you will see the difference. The iPhone display feels a little choppy compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this in the comments below. So overall, the display is much better on the OnePlus 8 Pro compared to the iPhone 11. If it would have been an iPhone 11 Pro, things would have been a little different, though the OnePlus 8 Pro would still excel in the refresh rate part. So I'm not saying that the iPhone 11 display is bad, but compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro, the display does not stand a chance. The colors are better, the viewing angles are better, the entire display feels more colorful on the OnePlus 8 Pro compared to the iPhone 11. Next, we are going to check out the app opening speed. Now I know that this is a game which I'm checking out and the iPhone is going to blow the OnePlus 8 Pro out of the water, which it has, but nevertheless the OnePlus 8 Pro still packs 865 Snapdragon processor compared to the iPhone 11, which has got its own A13 Bionic. Since we are in the game, let's also check out how PUBG at 90 FPS on the OnePlus 8 Pro compares to the iPhone 11. I'm going to do the same test which I have done in my gaming test, which is get the scope up. So even with the 90 FPS, the iPhone 11 is significantly faster in getting the scope up than the OnePlus 8 Pro. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Moving on to the next one, let's talk about the cameras. So here we are going to talk about 4 modes, starting with the ultra wide. On the left we have the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and on the right we have the iPhone 11, which is at 12 megapixel. Let me know in the comment section below which one do you think is better here. For me, I think it would be the iPhone 11, which keeps a little more detail. Moving on to the next one is the telephoto at 3x. The OnePlus 8 Pro does have a telephoto lens, while the iPhone 11 does not have one, but it still zooms to a 5x. In this one, the iPhone 11 is not doing so well, while the OnePlus 8 Pro's image is much clearer and sharper. So I would go with the OnePlus 8 Pro here. The next one is the main camera. I think here the OnePlus 8 Pro has done really well with the focusing part, while the iPhone 11 has done very well with keeping the edges of the plant intact. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. The last one is the macro mode or the macro camera. Now this is only there on the OnePlus 8 Pro, but I have still tried and taken a close shot with the iPhone 11. The OnePlus 8 Pro does win over here. Those are the camera samples. I would really want to know your thoughts below in the comment section, so do write. I will reply to each and every comment. Now let's talk about the battery. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a 4510 mAh battery, and the iPhone 11 comes at a 3110 mAh battery. Both support fast charging, with the OnePlus 8 Pro at 30 watt, which is the warp charge, 50% in 23 minutes, and the iPhone 11 comes at an 18 watt fast charger, which is 50% in 30 minutes. Though the charger is not included in the box, you have to buy it separately, but it is definitely worth it. Now do not go with the numbers here. Both the phones have amazing battery life. The OnePlus 8 Pro with me has survived the entire day with a Quad HD Plus and at 120Hz, while the iPhone 11 easily takes you into the next day. So both the phones have excellent battery life. The last one is the speaker test. Let's listen to both of these speakers. Both have dual firing speakers, one bottom firing and one at the top. A month ago, I made a video on the OnePlus 8 Pro and its issues, and many of you guys gave your suggestions and thoughts in the comment section, and I thought, why not make a follow-up video to that video. If you have not seen that video, I will link that in the description below. Be sure to see that video before this one. One more thing before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel below and click the bell icon to get notified. The first one is the before this one. One more thing before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel below and click the bell icon to get notified. The first one is the Wi-Fi hotspot issue. Now in this there are claims that the battery drains pretty quick when connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Also, while charging, it heats up. With this, we are at the end of the video. The speakers on the OnePlus 8 Pro do feel a little bit louder than the iPhone 11, but the iPhone 11 is a little bit more bass heavy, which some might like. That's all from me. Do let me know in the comment section below which phone is better and which one are you going to get. Since both these phones are priced very similarly, I would really love to know. As usual, thanks for watching.